I don't know if you heard Kibuloy, the proclaimed Son of God. So that's his empire in Davao. But he is in the prison right now. So it's going to the paradise in Davao. Yeah, in Lanang. No, we came from Lanang, but I don't know what area is that. So that's the empire of Kibuloy, and one of those also. Let's zoom in and take a look using Samsung Note. So that's the history of Kibuloy, proclaimed Son of God.